Our main business is to convert fish waste into sellable items, especially the fish skin into leather. Kisumu hosts almost 5 fish filleting industries. Annually, they produce close to 150,000 metric tons of fish waste. We decided to go green. In simple terms, it's utilization of plant compounds. It does not involve the use of chemicals. And this actually has added a lot of value into our products in the sense that the global trend currently recognizes the fact that the environment needs to be conserved. We have partnered with a number of institutions like South African Footwear and Leatherlands, which is also helping us in marketing our products there. And we are also getting other products from them too. So the green economy is so much linked and is at the heart of the community around here.